Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make your own Mod Podge. You can save a lot of money making it yourself. First I'm going to start out by making a project that I'm going to be using the Mod Podge on. Whenever I make a rope project, I start them all the same. I start by making a circle. It's about an inch, inch and a half, and then I put it underneath the sewing feet. I like to sew that down really good, going back and forth. If you're enjoying this video, I hope you'll hit the like button and consider subscribing. I've had several people ask me how to add on a rope, so I wanted to show this. This really is quite easy. I use my seam ripper to kind of help put the rope where I need it to be and then sew it down. I want to do a scalloped edge on this, and I am not measuring it, I'm just kind of guessing. And then I like to sew all the way around it just to make sure it is very secure. And then whenever I start or finish a rope project, I always put a little piece of tape on it and cut 3/4 of it off. That way it will not fray. And then I'll just sew that down. I was trying to decide which napkin to use. I have so many now. It's so much fun to be able to have so many to choose from. And if company shows up, you are always prepared. You will always have napkins around. I decided to use the one with the spring written on it, Happy Spring. That is so pretty. I looked up how to make Mod Podge a while back, and at the time I've had so much Mod Podge I didn't have to worry about making it. But I did finally run out, so I thought this would be a great time to make it and show you just how easy it is to make. All you have to do is mix equal parts of your glue with water. Give that a good stir, and you just made Mod Podge. How cool is that? It doesn't have to be expensive anymore. After making several projects like this, I have found if you spray a little bit of water on first, it seems to go on, the glue seems to go on easier. Every napkin has two layers, and you want to make sure you take the bottom layer off. This makes it so thin that when you Mod Podge the design onto the project, it just melts into it. That's the only way I know how to describe it. It just looks like it's been painted on. And you can actually see the rope design through it. I really enjoy this part. The fun part about doing this, it's so different from sewing fabric. It's just something a little different. For the last few weeks, I've been working on a quilt, and I hope to have that done for the next video after this one. I would like to thank you for watching today, and if you'd like to hit the thumbs up and subscribe, that would be great. That way you won't miss any future videos. At the end of this video, I will put a couple of my other videos up if you'd like to watch them. Thanks again for watching.